Welcome back, friends. Donald Trump becomes only the third president in the history of United States to be impeached. In a heated debate yesterday, the House of Representatives has decided to impeach the president for obstruction of justice and misuse of power. Therefore, this impeachment proceedings now move to the US Senate, where a full House is going to decide on the impeachment proceedings. Senator Mitch McConnell of the Republican Party is to draft the articles of impeachment and send it to the House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, who is to decide on the process in which the Senate is going to hear these impeachment proceedings. Interestingly, Charles Schumer, a senator who is a Democrat, wanted to do a thing by subpoena issue to at least 4 White House officials along with the impeachment process. Now, this was clearly denied by Charles Schumer, the Republican senator. It seems that this entire impeachment proceedings is going to gather momentum in days and weeks and months. At the same time, one would hasten to add that history says that impeachment proceedings per se will not stall the stock markets. There may be other things which may flare up, like the Brexit, the US-China trade deal could again hit a block hole, but impeachment of the president itself is not going to stall the upward momentum of any of these global stock indices, particularly the Dow and the Nasdaq. During impeachment proceedings of President Bill Clinton, the Dow had risen 27% during the months when the impeachment proceedings were going on. It did create interesting headlines, no doubt, in many newspapers and in television, but it did not go ahead to impact the stock markets, however. Pro-growth policies of Donald Trump will reverberate, and you may realize that impeachment proceedings itself is not going to stall. However, from time to time, I have mentioned that the momentum will get stalled by the US-China trade deal negotiations. I still believe that there will be something which will not work out in this deal. The agricultural exports that United States is assuming, the $60 billion per year, is not yet acceptable to China. Even in their lately concluded press conference, China clearly mentioned that there's no real clear figure about agricultural purchases, and this itself can turn out to be a stumbling factor. Markets are about to hit a correction zone. Today, Asia was soft, still continues to be soft. Indian markets are only slightly higher. Tomorrow we could see a sea of correction in India, Europe, and also in the United States. Today, however, markets do appear subdued. In the last hour could witness a good amount of frenetic buying, and thereafter, as the Indian stock markets, the Sensex and the Nifty close, you will start seeing Dow futures and Europe move into quite a bit of red. And this will continue till the US market officially opens for trading. And at that time, you will see Dow and Nasdaq again pick up and go back into green territory. So this is a certain momentum which our analysis has taught us, and we thought that we would bring it to your attention. Tomorrow should be a sea of red for most global stock markets. So investors, please take this into cognizance while planning your investment strategy. In the last hour, I could see good amount of green in the Indian stock markets. In fact, right after 2 o'clock, I would hope good amount of greens in the last 1.5 hours. And thereafter, Dow futures, Europe turns negative, But by the time United States begins to officially trade, you will see lot of green return back. Tomorrow, red day for most global stock markets and investors. Please take this into consideration, this trading pattern which I am predicting while planning your trading strategies. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.